everyone, welcome to Diksha Talks. So in this video, I would like to bring the focus on the topic of, is it required to join any English spoken program to improve your English? So let's get going. So the first thing which I would love to mention is, we already know that English has the power to dominate international business, politics, as well as culture like no other language. So learning English could be beneficial for you in all the aspects of life. So you know what, it is quite similar to the process of losing weight. Like improving your English is quite similar to the process of losing weight. You know why? Because when you want to lose your weight, you are also have some of the misconception whether we should join or we can do it by some of the exercise or by doing yogas and all. So yeah, if you join any gym, okay, so that time you are having a trainer, okay, and that trainer provides you personalized classes. Like you can say, if someone is having 85 kg, okay, they want to lose their weight desperately, and if someone is only 50 kg and they want to tone their body, so here both have different goals to accomplish. So accordingly, the trainer will provide the specific exercise for both of them, right? So whenever you join any spoken English program, your trainer will assess you, because if you get a personalized trainer, it is like icing on top, okay? So if you get a personal trainer for yourself, he or she can guide you accordingly and they can point your errors as well. All right, I already know that you have plenty of options on YouTube, on internet, okay, for your by which you can see YouTube videos and you can consume a lot of content in English. But the thing is, are you implementing on those things? Are you implementing? Yes, the question arises here, are you implementing? If you're not implementing, then definitely it will not give you the results. Similarly, with the spoken English program, if you sit in any coaching institute, if you join any spoken English program, but if you're not willing to put those efforts, if you are not speaking, you're just consuming and you're implementing, then definitely it will not give you any results. Okay, so unless you practice it, unless you speak, here I want to clear a lot of misconception. I just want to bust your bubble here. The thing which you are having, it hasn't written anywhere. Like if you join any spoken English program, if you join gym, so you would able to get the tone body or you would able to speak fluent English. No, it hasn't written anywhere. Okay, the thing is, if you are willing, the question arises here, if you are willing to put those efforts for you, then only you can create those opportunities for you. Okay, main reason which I have seen in my spoken English journey is, you know, the people is dealing with the mediocrity. Yes, means they have the time, they have the money, but they are not willing to put those efforts. Okay, on the other hand, if you get a trainer for yourself, so then what happened, you have that thing in your mind, like, yeah, you have paid for this from your hardcore money and you definitely have to put your efforts. Apart from this, when you get a trainer, it is similarly you get an accountability partner for yourself, because you know, in some cases you are not accountable to yourself. So when you get a trainer, he will become a kind of an accountability partner for yourself, so that what motivates you. Okay, when all these things come together, when all these things combines together, then only you will able to accomplish your goal. Okay, so this is what I believe and this is what I have learned through my journey. So this is from my side. Now I would love to know about your views. Like, what do you think? Like, is it necessary to join coaching institute or not? Share your views, how I can be a help of yours to improve your spoken English. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Keep learning and keep smiling.